Hello, everybody. Today we gather here at Krishnavani Talent School, Jiagoda. This is English Club, the where children can learn many things. Here, there is a one unique quality of our children. Taking one example, and you cannot imagine what they are going to do. It's a magic miracle. It's not a miracle, the right pronunciation miracle. But the problem with you people still we are like this beginner, so that we are getting some cash. Cash means confusion. Here the children who are sitting all together, they are going to perform well, such an extraordinary manner. But fortunately, they got trained by us, not from anywhere else. They are the children who belongs to our school, and they perform like in all aspects. You cannot imagine the sentence formation which they are going to give. Here, task is tenses. Tenses already be aware of it. It's a like in a condition, a state, a time. So, which is happening day to day life. The moment which you are doing every activity, for example, when you wake up in the morning and when you go somewhere else, everything based on tenses. The activity which we are doing frequently. So here, our children came here to explore by taking one example, switching into 336. You cannot imagine it. It means if you want to be a master in English, people always tell that be a master in grammar. Grammar is a part of English. But if you really want to be a fluent speaker, one should practice as much as you can. Because whenever we advise people practice English, they always tell that we do not have material, we don't have time. For the sake of that, we design this kind of program. Take one example, make it to 336 example, and only you should know changes of helping verb and verb status and appropriate subject. And there are main task is 7 subject, noun subject, and 4 type of sentences. One should understand structure of 12 tenses and 4 type of sentences: positive, negative, interrogative, negative, negative, interrogative. There are many things. If you keep watching this video, you also learn as a parent, as a professional, as a teacher, wherever you are in the world. You will be able to learn easily by seeing this children session practice session. Thank you.
Simple present tense. Positive sentence. I speak English. We speak English. You speak English. They speak English. He speaks English. She speaks English. It speaks English. New sentence. I do not speak English. We do not speak English. You do not speak English. They do not speak English. He does not speak English. She does not speak English. It does not speak English. Do I speak English? Do we speak English? Do you speak English? Do they speak English? Does he speak English? Does she speak English? Does it speak English? Don't I speak English? Don't we speak English? Don't you speak English? Don't they speak English? Doesn't he speak English? Doesn't she speak English? Doesn't it speak English? Present continuous tense. Positive sentence. I am speaking English. We are speaking English. You are speaking English. They are speaking English. He is speaking English. She is speaking English. It is speaking English. I am not speaking English. We are not speaking English. They are not speaking English. They are not speaking English. He is not speaking English. She is not speaking English. It is not speaking English. Am I speaking English? Are we speaking English? Are you speaking English? Are they speaking English? Is he speaking English? She speak English? Is it speak English? Interrogative sentence. Am I speak English? Are we speak English? Are you speak English? Are they speak English? Is he speak English? She speak English? Is it speak English? Negative interrogative sentence. Aren't I speak English? Aren't you speak English? Aren't you speak English? Aren't they speak English? Isn't he speak English? Isn't she speak English? Isn't it speak English? Present perfect tense. Positive sentence. I have spoken English. We have spoken English. You have spoken English. They have spoken English. He had spoken English. She has spoken English. It has spoken English. Negative sentence. I have not spoken English. We have not spoken English. You have not spoken English. They have not spoken English. He has not spoken English. She has not spoken English. It has not spoken English. Interrogative sentence. Have I spoken English? Have we spoken English? Have you spoken English? Have they spoken English? Has he spoken English? Has she spoken English? Has it spoken English? Negative interrogative sentence. Haven't I spoken English? Haven't we spoken English? Haven't you spoken English? Haven't they spoken English? Hasn't he spoken English? Hasn't she spoken English? Hasn't it spoken English? Present perfect continuous tense. Positive sentence. I have been speaking English. We have been speaking English. You have been speaking English. They have been speaking English. He has been speaking English. She has been speaking English. It has been speaking English. Negative sentence. I have not been speaking English. We have not been speaking English. You have not been speaking English. They have not been speaking English. He has not been speaking English. She has not been speaking English. It has not been speaking English. Sentence. I did not speak English. We did not speak English. You did not speak English. They did not speak English. He did not speak English. She did not speak English. It did not speak English. Interrogative sentence. Did I speak English? Did we speak English? Did you speak English? Did they speak English? Did he speak English? Did she speak English? Did it speak English? Negative interrogative sentence. Didn't I speak English? Didn't we speak English? Didn't you speak English? Didn't they speak English? Didn't he speak English? Didn't she speak English? Didn't it speak English? Full past tense. Positive sentence. I spoke English. We spoke English. You spoke English. They spoke English. He spoke English. She spoke English. It spoke. Sentence. I did not speak English. We did not speak English. You did not speak English. They did not speak English. He did not speak English. She did not speak English. It did not speak English. Interrogative sentence. Did I speak English? Did we speak English? Did you speak English? Did they speak English? Did he speak English? Did she speak English? Did it speak English? Negative interrogative sentence. Didn't I speak English? Didn't we speak English? Didn't you speak English? Didn't they speak English? Didn't he speak English? Didn't she speak English? Didn't it speak English?